over, up. Whoa. Okay, here we go. What can I do with all my stars? Magic stars, magic stars. What can I buy? I can trade them in, and where do I find them?
The stars are in Brush Up the Game. Download now on iOS and Android. She earned those stars brushing with Bud. Let's see what toy she turns them into.
Okay, let's see. I can look over here, and I can find so many things. I can look at, this is my towel. Ooh, I could buy a towel. I could buy a plush green wallpaper. Ooh. And wait, there's more. Wait, I want to buy, I want 8 plush green wallpaper. I'm a very popular item. Okay, so for me, I think I need to have that's what I want. I want Bud in the box. And I'm going to get him. I'm going to get Bud if I just push the magic star with 17. There's my Bud. Yes. Okay, Bud, you and me are going places. Let's go. You won't believe this. Look where we're going. Okay, let's go to the Royal Goldfish shower curtain. That's for me. I want that.
Don't forget to check out everything before you buy something.
But there may be something else, just to be sure. Curtain, shower curtain. Look at, oh, come on. Look how cute that is. How cute is the sink on a porpoise? Come on, that's adorable. That's what, wait, there's more. Okay, what is this? Come on. A bathtub blow-up toy? Oh, come on, cute as can be. But I think I still have, wait, one more, just to be sure. Undersea Stickies. Stickies? Oh, I must have. 12 magic points for me. Their stickies are mine. Look how beautiful my room is looking. Yes, we're looking good. Tell you what, let's go to Dinosaur World. These are the most beautiful sinks I've ever seen. Where did they come from? Bigfoot sink. Come on, cute as can be. Come on, Bigfoot. We're going to take a look around and see if we can find T-Rex towel. Yep. And T-Rex. I like shower curtains because that's when I take my bath. Okay. And one more. Okay, I can't have T-Rex towel, you're for me. 1 magic point, and there we are. Look at my world. Yes. Okay, let's go to a space called. Oh yeah, everybody wants to have a pit stop wash station that looks like this. This is so cool. Okay. Cool your jets. We're going to just look around a little bit more at this super duper cool checkered flag shower curtain. Wow, it doesn't get any better. This is too cool. Okay, how's about one more champion bike towel and...
What about that little car?
And muscle truck? Oh, definitely. But I already have Bud there. Can I get can still look at it, and, oh, come on. You know I want this. Definitely. Magic 17, here you go. Yep. Okay, now be still my heart. We are about to come on to, yep, Pretty in Pink. We are pretty. What is this? Oh, Bud. Buffy Doll. You are buff. You have my heart. You're so cute. And what's this? Huggy Hippo. Oh, you also have my heart. You're too cute. It's just, there's just too many things. Just too many things I could make my room with. Okay, what should I do? What should I do?
What does the sink look like?
Okay. Oh, Huggy, you go back there. And what is this magic? It's like a giant jewel. Ruby gem sink. Can I have 2 sinks? Can I get 2 sinks? Can I? Yes. Let's see. Oh. Well, look at that. Okay, then. I think we need a little bit more. I do. Okay, so in order to get a little bit more, I think I need to go to dun 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 dun. I need this. Soccer ball? World football? Yes, that's good. And I'm going to see, this is my world shapes stickers. Oh, I like that. Circle, triangle, diamond, square. I know those. Okay. And then there's, goodness, what can I do? What do I do? There we go. A plush green wallpaper? Oh, yes. That's for me. 8 magic points and I'm plush. Need I say more? That's stupendous. I think the only thing I might be missing is right here. I think I need a nice, pretty, exciting shower curtain. Okay, let's go back to me, pink room. I already know what I want. Yeah, the dreamy shower curtain. 8 points, and it's mine. My room. Wait, I think there's more. There's more. Yeah, okay. Let's go to Dinosaur Land. I missed this before. So, no, not plush shower curtain. I know you're as cute as can be, but I'm looking at Steggy Boy for 12 magic points. So here I go. Steggy Boy, join me in my room. I think we're done here. We did great today. We have our room decorated. And you know something? I can change these tomorrow or right now if I want. But I think I'm going to stay with these for a while because I really like my wonderful choices that I made right now. Until next time, thank you for joining me.
Do you want to earn toys as you brush your teeth? Download Brush Up, the game, on iOS and Android. We release new prizes every month, so don't forget to like and subscribe for your sneak peek.